Hey y'all! Today I'll be taking you through one of my self-care Saturdays. So about a year ago, one of my good friends got me hooked on utilizing every Saturday for self-care, which for me translates into doing whatever makes me feel happy in that moment. And it's been a part of my weekly routine ever since. Well, no matter what I decide to do for the day, one thing remains constant. Your girl's gotta have a cup of coffee in the morning. I'll start every morning off with a yummy cup of coffee just to help me get warm and just get me ready for the day. There's Ollie boy. Now my coffee has to have creamer in it. I cannot do black coffee, y'all. Need sweetener. So today I use caramel macchiato. And do you peep the cutest Baby Yoda mug ever? Obsessed. Since the beginning of February, I started to take this CBD tincture daily. It's by One Love CBD, and I started taking it to help out with my anxiety. Now, I do want to use this product for a full 30 days before I give an honest review on it, but what I will say is I have not been disappointed so far. Y'all, it's a workout time. Now, I don't know how many of you are aware that I have a workout playlist on my YouTube channel, but if you don't know, now you know, and you're welcome. If you're looking for quick workout videos to do at home, and I mean like 10 to 15 minutes, your girl's got you. I've got a pretty good mix on there for like lifting to core, cardio. If you're looking for it, I've probably got a video on there, so there's really no excuse to not be active, you know? A YouTuber that I recently subscribed to is Mad Fit. She's got a super awesome variety of lifting videos, and that has just been my jam lately. I'm typically into cardio, but I really just want to build muscle. I want to get stronger. I want to be cut, guys. I want the gains. Give it to me. The workout routine that I'm doing right now was actually saved from her channel. And y'all, it was just hard, but felt so good after it was done. And this is my, oh, thank God that this workout is over dance. And here's Ollie boy just fucking standing around being handsome and cute. My heart. By this time, workout's over, I am starving and really wanted Chipotle. Nick said, you know what? Why don't we just make our own burritos? And I was like, shit, you right. Why don't we? And then we did, so there's the story. We got Chef Nick right here whipping it up, cutting up the lettuce, cutting up tomatoes, and then I happened to pick out the most perfect avocado. And we are shredding apart the carnitas. Guys, honestly, that meat is the easiest thing to make. It's so good. You boil it for like 5 minutes. And if you want to reheat it to use the next day, it is just as good and juicy. Like, come on. Okay, so let me tell you what's happening in this masterpiece. We have got our extra large flour tortilla. We have the carnitas, cheese on top so it gets nice and melty. Then we top that off with some lettuce, tomato, jalapeno, avocado, sour cream, and Valentina. Now, I'm not even trying to play games with you guys. Not lying at all. This was the best burrito that I have had in a really long time. Like, health-wise and taste. And it's cheap, way better than Chipotle. Try it out, guys. Tell me if you like it. Let me know if you end up adding anything different to it so that way I can make it the way that you guys did and try it out. Besides, look at that happy dance of approval. Like, need I say more? Bomb. Up next, we've got my most favorite part, like hands down favorite thing about Self-Care Saturday, which is my bath time. So I always want to be extra bougie, and I brought in my essential oil humidifier to really amp up the relaxed vibes and dug through my essential oils for a yummy scent. If you've been wanting a humidifier like this, you can snag it off of Amazon. They have it in like 3 different colors, and I believe it was $35, maybe $40. Anyways, I use this Feel Good blend. I shiz you not. It literally smells exactly like a freshly squeezed orange. Plus, it was almost an exact match with my Dr. Teal's products that I'll show you in just a sec. Perfect match, right? So to my extremely hot bath, I add a shiz ton of bubble bath and a shiz ton of Epsom salt, like an outrageous amount. I absolutely love Dr. Teal's products. I'll always make sure to match the bubble bath with the Epsom salt. All of the aromas that they have are magnifico. They're just so awesome to use, especially more so like these bubble baths and the Epsom salt have been coming in so clutch with the additional working out I've been doing. Really just relaxes my muscles, and by the time I get out, skin is super smooth. Directly after my bath, I jump into skincare and use my Sonic Clear to really get deep in those pores and leave my skin feeling nice and soft. From there, I jump into my Eyelash Care. I do have lash extensions on, and they require day and night cleaning. I just use a solution that I purchased at the boutique that I go to get them done. And this is a clean makeup brush, well, brand new, like the only thing that I'm using it for is to clean the lashes. If you do not clean these lashes, you're not removing the natural oils that build up on your skin. They will attach themselves to the extension, and you can see that it does not look cute, guys. So wash your lashes daily. Keep yourself looking fab AF. Oh my gosh, who is that? Superstar. Since I was gonna be hanging out at home for the rest of the day, I just chose a really comfy outfit, worked on my Baby Yoda puzzle, got frustrated and stopped, and played an outrageous amount of Beat Saber, which Nick, my mans, is super good at. You! From there, we just jumped into more video games. It was really funny. So Nick has a PC in the living room, and then we've got a PlayStation in our movie room. So he logs in on the PC, I log in our movie room, and we play games together. By no means am I good at any of these games that I play, but I like to hop on Discord and hang out with my love and all my friends. We also live stream, so I'll be linking Nick's Twitch name down below if you want to hang out with us a little more on a different platform and see what kind of shenanigans we get into online. I mostly play Warzone and Rocket League, but I'm pretty open to any other games. We'll see. After all this gaming, I really wanted to give the puzzle another shot, so we did, and we finished it. Ollie Boy did eat a couple of the puzzle pieces, but honestly, I was totally fine with it. By the end of the night, I was just happy that we finished the puzzle, and it came out super cute. We got hungry and cooked a new recipe I found on Pinterest for chicken teriyaki skewers. But first, I'm prepping the meat because I want to let it marinate for a few hours before putting it in the oven. I used 2 large chicken breasts, diced that up into cubes, and shoved that all in a little Tupperware container where I'm going to mix my little concoction. I'm going to use a teriyaki marinated sauce, pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, and crushed red peppers. I really just eyeballed the ingredients based on the amount of meat that I'm using. I didn't go by what the recipe actually said because it was going to make a larger quantity of the skewers, and I didn't want to do all that. So I put all of my ingredients inside of this little Tupperware container, gave her a good mix, then grabbed the lid. Had a very difficult time putting this thing on. And then I shoved that in the fridge for like 2.5 hours. Maybe it was 3, but 2.5 for sure. Once it was time to take the chicken out, I started to assemble the skewers and get it ready to pop in the oven. This made exactly 4 skewers, and before taking it and putting it in the oven, I did brush teriyaki sauce from P.F. Chang's all over the chicken. Here's our finished product. I'm gonna top it off with some sesame seeds. And the rice that I used, I believe I purchased it at Smith's, and it was just in the frozen food section, so it takes just a couple minutes to warm up. And that was our dinner. Super tasty, different recipe, never had it before. My mans loved it, I loved it, and my tummy loved it. The only thing that could have made this night better was some dessert from Dairy Queen. So that's what you bitch got, was some dessert from Dairy Queen. And I ended the night watching Naked and Afraid. It was overall a really successful self-care Saturday. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you like videos like this and want more, let me know. I love making them. But I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.